Hi everybody. Today we're going to go over how to create a restore or recovery job from the Nova Backup Management Console. In this case, I'm already logged into the Management Console. I have some jobs I've done some backups on, devices set up, and everything else. So in order to start this, you just need to go to the Jobs tab underneath the agent. I will click Add Job and do this little drop down for File Restore. Click OK. And now it's going to come up with the restore view. The first thing you kind of want to do is choose what backup job you want to recover from. In this case, I have a couple different jobs set up, so a bunch of testing things I've done. So let's just go to this particular job, and it's going to show you a calendar view of when backups are done for this particular job. In this case, it just has a single backup that was done for this job. I'll click that. You can select multiple ones, but I'll just select this particular one. And in this case, it's going to show me that the contents of that backup, and I can say, hey, I want to grab this particular folder. Actually, I'll grab both those folders here, and then go to settings. And we're adding some more settings in here, but right now what you'll want to do is just if you don't want to restore to the original location, just go to the settings and go to restore to alternate location. Yeah, it should just let me go, hey, I want to restore this to C:temp. It'll actually create that folder for me. You can type in whatever folder path you want, click OK, then click restore, and it's going to immediately start that restore job. So if you go to job history, it will start that job pretty quick. I'm actually on that machine, so I can bring that agent up, and it's going to show me that that restore job is already running right now. That's really all there is. Pretty simple to create that restore job. You don't have to do a bunch of settings. It's just what you want to recover, when you want to recover, from what backup job, and then where you want to go. And that's all there is.